Hello BVPNs of ninth class. Today your Gaurav sir, your English teacher again with you with a very interesting chapter, The Adventure of Toto. Okay students, it is the story of a mischievous monkey. Okay, so I am going to summarize this chapter. What is the summary of this chapter? Okay students, so let's begin. The Adventure of Toto. In this chapter, there is a grandfather who was having a habit of keeping animals in their private zoo. Means the grandfather is having some animals at their home and they call it a private zoo. Means he has many more animals in his home. Okay. So it's a habit of that grandfather to keep animal at their home. So one day what happened, when the grandfather was coming from Saharanpur, he saw one monkey and he usually saw that monkey every time when he used to pass away from the railway station. So grandfather was having a habit of keeping animal at their home. So one day what happened, when the grandfather was passing through that way, he saw a monkey there who was too much pretty because his eyes was mischievous, reddish, and his hands, his body, his tail, everything was looking too much pretty to grandfather, and grandfather attract towards that monkey and he think that I will keep that monkey in my private zoo. So what the grandfather did, he bought that monkey from that Tonga driver in 5 rupees. Means the grandfather bought that monkey in 5 rupees. Have you got 5 rupees? The grandfather bought that monkey in 5 rupees from that Tonga driver, and after buying that, he come to know that if the grandmother will get angry on him, because the grandmother used to fuss on the grandfather but for keeping the animals in their private zoo, keeping the animal in their home. So grandmother used to get angry on grandfather that she didn't like this, but grandfather was in the habit of buying such kind of animals, keeping such kind of animals. So that writer and the grandfather, okay, means the writer is grandson of grandfather, okay, the grandson and grandfather, they both decided to hide that monkey from grandmother. Okay, so in that story, let's read what happened. After reaching the home, they kept that monkey in a cupboard. Okay, so what happened, and they went to do another work. After an hour, when they came back, they come to know about this, the mischievous activity of that monkey. He just tore all the wall. He just destroy all the wallpaper, decorative wallpaper, and he shred the school coat of that grandson. Okay, so such kind of mischievous activity the monkey was doing at their home. So then the grandfather decided to keep that monkey outside. Okay, then what they did, let's study. So students, as the monkey was too much tricky and he was not able to keep inside the cupboard, the grandfather decided to shift that monkey in servant quarter. Okay, and grandfather had to go outside of this town next day, so he could not sleep also. So what happened at the servant quarters? In the servant quarters also, the monkey did such kind of activities. He did not let the others sleep whole night. Okay, so that much mischievous monkey was there. So at the next day, the grandfather was to go outside of this town to Saharanpur. He had to go to the Saharanpur, and the grandfather decided to keep the monkey with them. Okay, so what he did? He took a bag, a big bag, leather bag, and he kept that monkey inside the bag and he went away. Okay, so in the way what happened? He kept that monkey in a train, and on the platform also that monkey started doing the mischievous things, and he started jumping over there, and it became the cause of attractions towards the other passenger. Suddenly the ticket checker came and he asked to them, when the grandfather was giving fine rupees to the ticket checker, suddenly the monkey peeped out his mouth. Ticket checker shocked and asked, do you have a pet? Is it a dog? So it's a dog. Okay, so you will have to find 3 rupees. You will have to buy the ticket of this dog of 3 rupees. Then grandfather had to buy. So grandfather also trying to do some fun with that ticket collector. So he said, no, it is monkey. So no, the ticket checker said, no, it's a dog. So you will have to take a ticket of 3 rupees of this. So grandfather took out a tortoise from his pocket and asked, so will you take for this also? So the TT said, no, we will not take for this. We will take for the dog also. The fine will be for the dog. You will have to pay 3 rupees. You will have to take a ticket of 3 rupees for your dog. Okay, then the grandfather bought that 3 rupees ticket for this monkey. Okay, that much mischievous monkey was. And not only this, one day what happened, when it was at their home, they decided to keep the monkey in a stable. Okay, and there was a donkey called the name of Nana, which that Nana was a donkey, and the monkey started biting the ears of that donkey. Okay, so then such mischievous that monkey was. Okay, so he started doing funny activity with any animal, tase any animal, such kind of thing. But after some days the monkey become little bit familiar with them. One day what happened, when the grandfather was outside and grandmother was there, and she kept a kettle on a gas stove to boil the water. The monkey, that Tuttu, loved to take bath. And how he used to take bath, there is a thing that how the monkey used to take bath. Okay, so when, like we also do na, before taking bath we touch the water whether it is hot or cold. So he used to keep his leg or hand inside the water, and he used to touch and checked it, and then he used to enter in the water. Such kind of things the monkey was having, such kind of tricky mind he had. So what happened at the time when the water was boiling on the stove, suddenly the Tuttu came in the kitchen and he saw the boiling water, and he entered in the kettle to take bath. Have you got? So he entered in the kettle. उस केटली में वो चला गया. That much mischievous he was. And when the water started boiling, suddenly the grandmother came. She screamed to see. वो चौंक गई देख करके, hey, ये क्या हो गया है? What happened? The monkey is boiling to himself in a kettle. And when she screamed and shouted, the monkey came out, and the monkey jumped on the dining table where the grandmother kept some pulao on the table for the whole family. Students, when the monkey jumped on that dining table, he saw pulao over there and he started eating that pulao. But the grandmother made that pulao for whole family, whether that monkey also, but it was made for whole family. When the grandmother shouted on her, he started throwing the plates. But by the luck, the grandmother saved, but that plate hit her aunt. Okay, so that much mischievous. And when the grandfather shouted on him, he ran away with the plate of pulao on the jackfruit tree and sat on the jackfruit tree and started eating pulao. So when the grandfather tried to keep him down, call him down, he thrown the plates. At that time the grandfather come to know that monkey is not for their home. They cannot keep that monkey as a pet at their home, and they decided to give or return that monkey to the Tonga driver. Within 1 or 2 days, he come to know about that Tonga driver. He got that Tonga driver and he returned that monkey to Tonga driver he sold that monkey to the Tonga driver in 3 rupees. Have you got? He sold that monkey in 3 rupees. Have you got? He bought that monkey in 5 rupees and he sold that monkey in 3 rupees because the monkey was really mischievous. He was really mischievous. Okay, so he sold that monkey to the Tonga driver again. So that was the adventure of monkey. I hope all of you have understood this adventure of monkey. Okay then, see you in next video. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.